What's up everyone, welcome back to One Strange Adventure and welcome to the next video. In today's video, we are super excited to share that we got our
e-bikes.
E-bikes.
Thank you. You're cheating.
Okay, so Cindy doesn't know that I bought something for the bikes. Well, she knows I bought something for the bikes, but she doesn't know what it is. And we're getting ready to put it on the bike now. I got the bike here. Hopefully she likes it. I don't know, but we'll see in just a few minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on the bike. What I got was little covers for the spokes of the wheels, just to give it a little flair. Like I got white and blue, so it's just, like I said, it's just to give it a little flair, just a little uniqueness, other than just the black against black, because it's black rims on the black wheels. So we're gonna go ahead and put those on there now. Amazon, 20 bucks for 2 packs. I got enough for the black and the white bike, but we're gonna put those on and see if she likes them. I hope she does. If not, it's easy to remove, so we'll see.
I don't see anything different.
What? You don't see anything different.
The wheels. Sorry, Doodles. Hold on. You'll stay there. That's cool.
You like it?
Yeah, where'd you get those?
Gives a little flair, a little pop.
I think it looks great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Glad you like it.
Those Velcro straps that we seen last night would have worked really well with that.
Today we are sharing our new electric e-bikes.
We are going on a bike ride.
Yep, this will be the first time we're going to give you some advantages, some disadvantages, what we like, what we don't like so far after a couple weeks of ownership. But this is going to be the first long ride,
Yeah,
so we'll be figuring out a little bit as we go.
We were able to ride around in the campground and the road leading to the campground last week, but this week we are actually at a state park.
Yep.
And it's supposed to be a pretty good ride, so we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. All right. Without further ado, let's get going. This is a lot easier when you don't have to pedal. I am in gear 2. It's peppy in 2.
You're a little peppy.
Yeah, it is. It's fun though.
I've had a great day.
Alright, what do you like so far? She says she likes to be able to get out. So the bikes, you want to go ride them. So it helps you get out of the house. It's like pedal. A lot of people actually have a problem with finding where to put the key when you first get these bikes. The key slot is in the bottom, and you would think the key is going to fall out, but it actually locks the battery in, and the key locks in.
Yeah. And the reason why is because when the bike is folded in half,
the battery can just fall out.
The battery will just fall out if it doesn't lock in place.
And it has.
So, yeah. So if the key's not in the locked position, battery will just fall out.
The bike has 7 gears, just like kind of like a mountain bike, except for the pedal sprocket only has 1.
Yeah.
The back sprocket has 7, and then you have 1 through 5 pedal assist.
Yep, and that on the little screen says PAS, and then gives you your number.
0 is the lowest because it's off. 1 being the lowest pedal assist. 5 is full send.
I have not done that yet.
I have.
I have gotten up to 20 miles per hour in pedal assist 2.
The bikes have a range of like 25 to 45 miles depending on how much you actually use the pedal assist or how much you use the throttle.
Yeah, and I've also read that that also varies based on if you're going on hills versus flat ground. Like we're on a really
Pretty
flat
flat
surface right today.
We've gone 10 miles and we haven't lost a bar yet.
Yeah, at all. And then like on windy days and things like that, if you have wind resistance, it decreases the amount of battery faster. So.
Yeah, we're actually on High Bridge Trail today. It's the state park. Well, it starts in the state park down in Amelia, and we rode all the way out to Farmville and got some drinks and stuff, and now we're making our way back.
Yeah, and it keeps going. It's like a 30-mile trail.
Yeah.
But we don't. This is our first time riding long distance, and our butts are not going to be able to handle that long of a ride. So we decided to come back.
Yeah, let's talk about seats. The seats are okay.
Yeah, the stock seats.
I think when you're first starting on any bike, it's going to hurt.
Yes.
If you try to ride for a while, but the seat that it comes with is okay.
They have a different seat post as well that you can get.
Yeah, and then it comes with a headlight and a tail light. It's not a brake light, but it's a headlight
Yeah,
that you can turn on.
It's a red light for nighttime.
And if you get tired and you have to walk it or something, it actually has walk mode where you hold down the negative sign, the minus sign, and it will crank, or it'll turn the motor on. It'll engage the motor, and you'll walk like 1.5, 2 miles an hour.
It just takes off.
It just goes. These are the LECTRIC XP 2.0s.
2.0s, ST for step through.
We upgraded to 2.0s, and we're glad we did. It has a front suspension. The wheels are a little bit more narrow. Instead of the 4-inch, they come with 3-inch. Overall, it's just I think it's a really nice bike. We've been really happy with them.
I've been enjoying it. It's good quality. You have to wait a long time for them, which was not fun.
Other than it being an e-bike, of course, you know, having the pedal assist and everything, one of the biggest reasons we chose these is because they fold.
Yes, they're easy to store.
They're easy to store, and living in an RV, you know, storage is at a premium.
Yeah, we've talked about that multiple times. Like you need something that's going to get down small, and that's not extremely heavy.
And so the bikes, they fit that. They fold down very easily. They fit in the truck. They'll actually fit in the back seat of the truck with the seat up,
Kids can't fit.
Or they'll fit in the garage, and we can just lower the bed to kind of hold them in place. They're super easy to store.
Yes.
So we really have enjoyed that aspect of the bikes as well.
Yeah, and they come with a kickstand. A lot of bikes now don't come with a kickstand, so they do come with kickstands, which is nice, and they're like a heavy duty one. And then the pedals actually fold up too, which is pretty cool.
It gets really kind of compact, which is really nice. Whether you're short or tall, these things will work for you.
Yeah, a tall person is gonna look a little funny on them.
Yeah.
Just because they're smaller, they're not the big beefy electric bikes that you see.
Right.
Like the Trek bikes and stuff that are electric, they look huge.
Right.
Compared to these little ones, but
we enjoy them.
Yeah, they're fun. They're definitely fun.
Yeah.
And then Harold decided to surprise me this morning with the spoke covers.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool. Makes my bike stand out even more.
Somebody's already complimented her on them. And the battery is actually pretty cool. It's lithium. It doesn't take a ton of time to charge. I think it's like 3 or 4 hours. You can either charge it while it's in the bike or out of the bike.
Yeah, there's a little port on the left side of the bike that you can flip open and plug the battery in right there. if you didn't want to take it out.
Yep.
Adjust it.
I did have to adjust my handlebars. They came kind of weird. They were like crooked a little bit. I was like kind of riding like this.
Yeah,
but
and
going
then
straight.
the little screen that it comes with has different options. It has a trip meter on there that we just found.
The odometer.
And the trip actually resets every time the motor turns off.
All right, I think that about does it for today's video.
If y'all have any questions, let us know. We'll try to help.
And we've gotten helmets and a few things for the bikes, like the spoke.
Yeah, we got just normal helmets from Amazon, but you can get them at Dick's and stuff too. And then they have some that have Bluetooth in there for you to talk.
Yeah.
While you're going down the road, but we haven't gotten those yet.
We'll throw a few links down in the description just for some bike stuff, and you can see what we're using. We still have a few things we need to purchase for it, but
yeah, I want like a saddlebag or something for the back, so we can help carry some of the camera gear.
Yep.
Instead of you lugging it all.
Yeah, strapping my book bag to the back with my camera in it. All right, well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you really like it, make sure you subscribe.
And ring the bell so you get notified when we release our next video.
And until the next strange adventure,
keep making your own.